I pulled out at the break of day, with one last box and no words to say. Just me and the road and a worn-out map and a prayer I whispered soft and flat. The radio crackled through the noise, old gospel songs and preacher's voice. It wasn't much, but it got me through a song or two, and I almost knew that I ain't lost. I'm just in between the place I was and where I'll be. That old truck radio saved my soul. With every hymn and every note, like Sunday morning on four worn tires, that was my truck radio revival. A diner sign and a coffee cup, I pulled on in and filled it up. The waitress smiled like she'd seen my pain, said, "Honey, storms don't last, just rain." I drove past fields and a rusted swing, the kind of sights I still can't sing. And every mile I felt the grace of finding light in the darkest place. 'Cause I ain't lost, I'm just in between the place I was and where I'll be. That old truck radio saved my soul. With every hymn and every note, like Sunday morning on four worn tires, that was my truck radio revival. No stained glass walls or steeple bell, but Lord, He met me just as well. I'm just on my way to something better, come what may. That old truck radio held my hand. With every song I didn't plan, like Sunday morning on four worn tires, that was my truck radio